I can't.
Nah.
I can't, dude.
Yeah, that doesn't even look the freshest on top of it being not your
thanks,
favorite.
Sky.
Well,
Yeah, it doesn't
I'm
look
sorry.
fresh.
I'm
It
sorry.
doesn't? I bought that yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Of course, we were talking about the gross foods that we all hate that are sitting in front of us right now.
Yeah.
Because it is time to play What's in Your Fridge?
What's in your fridge? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's in your fridge? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's time to find out what's in your fridge on the show.
Okay. 877-570-1053.
Why?
It is time for us to play What's in Your Fridge. This is where we guess different items that we think are in your refrigerator. Once one of us guesses incorrectly, we have to eat our least favorite foods, which for me is bell pepper. Now today, we went with red bell pepper. I still have never really tasted a red bell pepper.
Oh, that's right.
We've done green, which I've
yeah.
gotten nailed with, but
Yeah.
anytime we've had red, I haven't had to eat.
We've had lots of discussions
your good
about
luck.
it. Yeah.
Good luck, Charlie.
It smells really bad. Emily has cilantro. She's very dramatic about it.
Yeah.
Sky has tomato in front of her. And again, they're the little grape tomatoes, so
Yes.
they're the ones that really pop and juice down your throat.
Yeah, but last week...
Sky loves that.
And I hate that. Last week, I decided I was going to cut it in half, and that was going to make it easier for me. Who knew? Opposite, and it sprayed everywhere. It was a bad scene, so... But hopefully it shouldn't be an issue.
Okay, well, we'll
Should be
see.
an
And of
issue.
course, Thor has coconut, which is his least favorite. Let's get our first player on the line. Let's go to P1 Michelle. Michelle, you are up in What's in Your Fridge. How's it going this morning, Michelle?
Hey, good morning, guys.
Good morning to you. So we get to ask one lifestyle question for you that doesn't have to do with food. So Thor is up first this week. He gets to ask you a lifestyle question, but it can't be about food.
It's tough.
Okay.
Every question I'm thinking of has to do with food. All right, Michelle. How many people live in your house?
3.
Three people.
3 people live.
That's okay.
And Michelle.
All right, Thor, you're up.
Okay, Michelle. Do you have olives in your fridge?
I mean,
You're
out of the gate?
insane,
Why
bro.
is he
You're
starting
a psycho.
off like that?
I was gambling over the weekend, baby.
Well,
Come on, Michelle.
oddly enough, yes.
Oh! The hot streak continues.
Look at him.
Okay.
Does it feel better when you take a risk
It
like
does
that
feel really
and
good.
then you get it?
It does feel really good.
Okay.
Like the rush.
Gambling,
Hey!
It's like a high.
gambling addict.
Oh, my God.
Wait a minute.
Issues.
All right, Michelle, I'm up.
Okay.
I have a controversial one as well.
Really?
I don't know how
guys-
this is going
Really?
to.
Yeah,
I don't know how this is
why are
going to
you
play
doing
in the
this?
room.
Why are you guys being psychos?
I might need Dario to rule on this.
What?
Michelle,
Yes.
do you have leftovers in your fridge?
Absolutely.
That's a new one, and I love it. That's a good one.
That one felt good.
I love it.
That one felt good.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't care.
Okay. All right.
Oh,
All right. All right.
Get her.
Okay, I'm going to go a little rogue as well.
What
are you psychos
I don't know what
doing?
we're doing.
Yeah.
Why are we feeling frisky today?
Oh, no.
Too much coffee? What's going on?
Michelle, do you have relish in your fridge?
Holy
That's
idiots.
that is a risky
insane,
one.
dude.
Why are we being dumb?
Emily, you are correct.
You do?
How far
Yes.
back did you have to dig to find that?
Wow.
That feels good.
Dude.
That feels good.
That is legit.
This is crazy.
I told you. It's a high.
It is
All
a
right,
high.
Sky,
Oh, here we
continue
go.
the trend?
Hell no. Michelle, do you have butter in your fridge?
Oh, weak.
Yes, we
How
do.
great would
Okay.
it have been if she
Don't
didn't?
be.
Oh my
Look
God.
at
That
her.
would
She
have
was
been my
like,
favorite thing ever.
she was like deflated by that
Yeah,
too.
it was so weak.
Whatever.
Right?
All right, Dory.
All right, mine, Michelle.
Huh?
What?
Okay.
Do you have lettuce in your fridge?
Ooh.
Ooh, let's see.
I like the
I have to look. I happen to be home.
Come on, baby. Give me the-
Fourth time is not a charm.
Oh, no lettuce.
Yes.
Not a big salad gal.
Wow.
Wow.
Veggies have been a letdown
I
on
have
this
like
week.
everything else except lettuce.
Ouch.
Hey.
All right, Michelle, thank you.
Thor.
All right, Thor. Take a nice handful of coconut.
Oh, yeah. Get in there.
Get it down the gullet.
Yeah.
Here you
in
go.
there.
This
In
is
those
BS,
Here
man.
big old-
you go.
I think she lied.
Oh,
I
really?
mean, she was right there.
Yeah, I
heard her
we
looking.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah.
see what you got. Okay. a little light, but okay.
Yeah.
Get her in.
Get her in.
I almost wish he would do it like a dip and just put it in like a
his
lip
No.
and
Like,
then
it
have
has to sit there.
chew it. Okay.
Every
I
time.
hate, it's so the texture's so
like
gross.
chalk, right?
I hate it. I hate it.
All right. Well done, everybody. Let's now go to P1 Kelly. Kelly, you are now up in What's in Your Fridge. How's it going, Kelly?
Good. How are you guys? Good morning.
Oh, sweetie Kelly. I like you, Kelly. I don't even know you.
Cutie.
This is
I like
fantastic.
you guys too.
All right.
Ugh. Sorry.
Not for you, Kelly. That was for the coconut.
All right, here we go, Kelly.
okay.
I am up first. I get to ask the lifestyle question of you, Kelly. My question for you, Kelly, is what hours do you work?
Oh.
0. I am a stay-at-home mom.
Good question, Eddie.
Lots of good stuff there.
Good question.
All right.
Okay.
That
Or
tells me a lot.
24 hours.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you
go.
that's the correct answer,
So
Kelly.
true. So true.
All right, Kelly, I am going to go first. Do you have milk in your fridge?
Of course.
Boom. Yes. Got it. Emily, you're up.
Kelly's a stay-at-home mama. The little ones love their carrots. Kelly, do you have carrots in your fridge?
I
love
do.
it. Oh. First time carrots has passed. And what's in your
true.
fridge? You were crazy that you did that.
Damn it, I forgot
Over to
about
you,
that. I wouldn't have
Sky.
asked it.
This is kind of crazy, but I feel like every mom has this in their fridge. Kelly, do you have applesauce in your fridge?
I do.
Okay.
Oh, that was wild.
Risk gal.
All right. Got it.
Over to Thor.
All right, Kel.
Kel, what is his nickname?
Do you have pickles in the
Why
fridge?
are you doing this?
Brand new jar.
Oh.
That's my girl.
Oh.
That's my girl.
Oh, that was close.
All right, Kelly. I'm assuming we're feeding the kids some good stuff here.
Oh, really?
Fruits and veggies.
Okay.
Kelly, do you have strawberries in your fridge?
Looking right at them.
Oh, there they are. There they are.
Can you please?
Whoa.
Emily, you're up.
This is wild.
Please.
Kids are kind of healthy seeming. They got carrots. They're liking the applesauce, the strawberries. But I think every kid loves their nuggets. So I'm going to go. You got to dip the chicken nuggets in the ketchup.
Yeah.
Kelly, do you have ketchup in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
I
Yes.
thought you were going to say, do you have nuggets in your fridge?
That was
so
a really
scared.
weird way to get
What?
to ketchup.
Yeah.
That
yeah.
made
God.
no sense.
All right, Sky.
Okay. Kelly, do you have yogurt in your fridge? Come on.
Yes, I got one left.
Oh, Kelly.
Skin of your teeth.
Oh, God, that was so
Lucky
close.
lady.
Thor.
Thank you, Kelly.
All right, K-Dog.
Don't call her that.
Stop doing that.
Do you have cheese in the fridge?
You know I got cheese.
That's right.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes you gotta play it
Okay.
safe. Sometimes you gotta play it safe.
Okay.
Kelly, this could go either way, but I'm hoping. Do you have juice in your fridge?
Yes, I do.
It's a loaded fridge.
There's a lot in here.
Lots of
Lots
juice.
of-
It's a
sounds like-
Sub-Zero, so there's lots of room.
Hell's yeah.
Oh, Kelly's
That's right,
rich.
baby.
All right.
Okay.
Emily?
Kelly needs her morning coffee. And in her morning coffee, she needs her creamer. Kelly, do you have coffee creamer in your fridge?
I do. I've got 4 different kinds.
4 different kinds.
Hi.
Oh, my God.
Mama needs her coffee.
Oh, yeah, sounds like it. Back over to Sky.
Okay, what haven't we said yet? Kelly, do you have eggs in your fridge?
Of course.
Okay.
All right.
She's got a full
Thor.
fridge.
Oh, man, this is getting crazy.
I know.
Oh, look at
We're
it.
running out of food.
And I'm forgetting what we've said. Oh,
All
God.
right, Kelly Kapowski.
Stop it.
Every time, stop it.
I loved her.
Oh,
Me too.
well done.
Okay, weirdo.
Do you have barbecue sauce in the fridge?
I do. Sweet Baby Ray.
Oh my God!
Didn't see it coming.
All right.
I'm an A1 guy.
Guys, sticking on the fruit train.
Okay.
Kelly, do you have grapes in your fridge?
No.
Oh my God, dude, that was gonna be my next guess. That's crazy. Oh my God, yeah.
Son of a bitch!
Oh my God.
The bell pepper in your mouth.
Oh, you will taste some red bell pepper now, Eddie.
It's been a few
He
weeks.
might like it.
Yeah,
It's been a few weeks.
Yeah, could
Thank
be.
you, Kelly.
Could
Or
be.
no, thank you.
He might like it.
Wow, with her Sub-Zero, no grapes in there.
That's insane. Okay, here we go. Oh boy.
Eddie.
Yeah, Eddie.
Listen, I don't know how I feel about this. You guys say the red is sweeter than the green.
Okay.
Yes.
They smell the same. Thor claims they're the same.
No, Thor's stupid.
Yay!
This is the first time I've ever had a raw red bell pepper before in my life.
Oh my God.
Is that going to help the taste?
Okay, here goes.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Better. It's better.
The dry heat.
no,
No, not better.
Oh, you say no, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah.
He's saying no, thank you with his hands.
Take a sip of something, bro. Come on.
The
Oh,
dry heat.
yes. It started. Okay.
You a-holes.
What? Sweeter?
I hate you guys so much.
Sweeter.
Sweeter.
There is
Better,
a
right?
different flavor
Yeah.
than the green. They're sweeter.
Oh, stop
the
it.
double bird.
Stop that.
Dude, it's like, ugh.
Okay, come on.
It's all bell pepper. It tastes horrific. There was nothing better about that. You guys, I hate you guys.
Don't hate
Jeez,
us.
that's
I have to hate
harsh.
somebody.
Hate nature.
Harsh.
Yeah, that's awful.
All right. Let's go to P1 Jeremy. Jeremy, you were last up.
Oh,
And
Jeremy.
what's in your fridge? How's it going, Jeremy?
Not bad. How's it going?
Terrible. All right, Emily, you are up with the lifestyle question for Jeremy.
Jeremy, do you work out?
Oh,
No, and then he laughed.
Okay. that helps.
That does help.
All right, Emily,
All right.
you're up.
No workout, Jeremy. Do you have mayo in your fridge?
oh, you got it, of course.
Yeah,
Yes.
Bay's in it.
Yep.
All right, Sky.
Jeremy, I know another guy you won't find at the gym. Some call him Butterman.
Hey,
Butterman. So, Jeremy,
Oh, my God.
you got any butter in that fridge?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, of course.
Thor, a.k.a. Butterman.
All right, J-Dog, do you have any jelly in the fridge?
Ooh.
Always.
Big jelly man. Big jelly man. Big butter and the jelly. Butter and the jelly. All right, Jeremy. Sound like a condiment man.
He does?
Got mustard in the fridge?
Yes, I do.
Oh, thank God. I got really nervous there. All right, Emily.
All right, milk, Jeremy. Do you have milk in the fridge?
Always.
Ooh, always.
Couple gallons of that.
Oh, my God. Whose cereal you eat?
Yeah.
All right, Sky.
Jeremy, it's kind of risky. And he's still sticking his tongue out. Is it swelling? Is it? Oh, no, it's just normally that big. Jeremy, do you have beer in your fridge?
Good one, good one, Sky.
On stock, yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, there we go, Jeremy.
Thor.
All right, J-Dog, do you have cream cheese in the fridge?
Psycho.
Oh, Thor.
Yeah?
Yes, I do.
Oh, my God, Jeremy, with the psych out.
Ooh, that's crazy. All right, Jeremy, I'm sticking with condiments. Do you have ketchup in the fridge?
Gotta go with those chicken nuggets. Yes, I
Atta
do.
baby. Atta baby.
Nuggies.
Over to Emily.
Do you, Jeremy, have cheese in the fridge?
Yes. I have
Okay.
cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
Over to Sky.
Jeremy, have you ever made a nice sandwich and pulled some slices of deli meat out of your fridge?
Roast beef all the way.
There it
Wow.
is. All right. Over to Thor.
This is wild.
Jeremy,
Oh, God.
do you have
Don't be insane.
black olives in the fridge?
specific?
He's a gambler.
No, I do not.
Why would I be so specific?
Oh,
That's so stupid.
oh,
I
Thor.
don't understand.
Thor.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Oh.
Thor, enjoy your coconut there, guy.
I went all in.
Well, that's really crazy.
I had a hot hand.
Yeah, but
Oh, man.
why be so specific?
Yeah,
You could have said
Oh, I have
olives.
black
just
olives in the fridge.
You do?
Yeah, I love them.
Oh, okay. Well, do you love coconut? Because you got to eat up.
Oh, eat it up.
buddy, buddy.
Eat it up.
Buddy. Oh, down the hatch as he chews and makes weird faces. There you go. Another edition of What's in Your Fridge.
Oh, yes.